Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by launching Safari and verifying a few prerequisites so browsing is smooth. Open Safari from the dock or Launchpad, then go to Safari settings and choose your default search engine and home page so results match your workflow. Once done, enable iCloud syncing for bookmarks, tabs, and passwords to keep data consistent across devices. Make sure to set privacy options like block all cookies only if necessary, because stricter settings can break site functionality. Now focus on efficient browsing. Open new tabs with Command+T and group related tabs using tab groups for projects or research. This keeps your workspace tidy and saves memory. Pin frequently used sites to the left of the tab bar so they load instantly. Use the Smart Search field to search or enter URLs, and enable Reader View to remove clutter on articles. Install trusted Safari extensions to add ad blocking or password management, but only enable those you need to keep performance high. To finish, secure and sync your browser. Enable passwords and auto-fill-in settings and confirm iCloud syncing so logins and bookmarks are backed up. Adjust privacy settings like prevent cross-site tracking to reduce targeted ads while balancing site compatibility. If Safari is slow or misbehaving, clear the cache, disable or remove recent extensions, and relaunch. If that fails, reset Safari or reboot your Mac. One key troubleshooting tip: test in a private window. If pages load there, an extension or cache issue is likely causing problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.